Welcome to 2553 Macaria Drive in Mobile, Alabama. This beautiful home is nestled into a quiet community off of Spring Hill Avenue, so it's close to everything. This home features 3 bedrooms with 3 full baths, a beautiful sunroom on the back of the home overlooking the private backyard. There's 2 bedrooms on the main floor along with 2 baths. The 3rd bedroom and the 3rd bath is upstairs. This home is conveniently located near I-65. It is an easy commute to USA University Hospital, USA Women's and Children, Spring Hill Medical, Mobile Infirmary, just close to everything. Just a few miles from downtown Mobile, where you can come and enjoy Mardi Gras, good food, and good times. This home is also walking distance to Taco Mama, Rock and Roll Sushi, Cammy's Old Dutch Ice Cream, the Publix grocery store at Old Chellan, Florida. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can give you a free home analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Come on out and enjoy the screened-in back porch, or convert this to a game room for the kids.